let's do an Elementor import of a page template. Hey, it's Ozzy here from thecallmehost.com, where I talk about the tools that I'm using to generate income online as a solopreneur. And in this channel, I share tutorials and all the great tools that I keep finding. So if this is helpful to you in any way, please subscribe and I'll keep you posted. Okay, so in this video, I'm going to import a page into Elementor. This is a page that we saved as a template in a previous video. And if you'd like to see that, I'll put a link in the description to that video. Okay, so here we are in my test website. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a page. I'm going to add new. And this is going to be the page into which I import the template. Let's get rid of that. And let's give this a title, the page. Very inventive. Okay, so what I'm going to do here is edit with Elementor. Okay, so you can see that the page looks pretty messy. There's a right hand side bar, and as you can see, it's all the default WordPress stuff. This is a site that I set up just to use as a test, and obviously I haven't done anything with the settings. So you can see the site header and you can see the page title. So we're going to overwrite all this when we import our nicely designed page. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to click on the folder icon, which is add templates in Elementor. And this is going to open the Elementor library. Now the page that we want is actually in my downloads folder. We exported that page from a different place and we want to import this template into this Elementor build. Okay, so I'm going to click on this icon here, which says import template. And here I'm going to select a file from my downloads folder. Here it is. You'll see that it is a .json file. Let's click on open. And here's the file. So this template is now in our Elementor library. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on insert. And yes, I want to overwrite the document. And here we are. Let's hit publish and let's take a look. You can see in the URL that this is the page that I titled the page. And of course, you can see here the template that I just imported into this page. For more Elementor tips, click the playlist on the screen and I'll see you in the next video.